Gustong ipa-verify ng kamera sa iba't ibang ahensya ang mga kahinahinala umanong acknowledgement receipts na isinumite ng Office of the Vice President at Department of Education. Nais ng isang mambabatas na i-verify ng Philippine Statistics Authority ang mga pangalan sa acknowledgement receipts para malaman kung totoong may mga ganoong individual. Kasunod dito ng pagdududa sa acknowledgement receipts na pirmado ng isang Mary Grace Piatos. Ang mga pirma sa mga resibo na yan, nais ding ipasuri ng Kamara sa NBI at PNP. Bukod sa isang Mary Grace Piatos, napansin din sa pagdinig ang isang Kokoy Villamin na parehong pirmado ang acknowledgement receipts na isinumite ng OVP at ng DepEd pero magkaiba ang lakda. Kinwestiyon din sa Kamara kung paano na-disburse ni dating Special Disbursing Officer o SDO ng DepEd na si Edward Fajarda ang 37 million pesos sa loob lamang ng isang araw.
On February 21, 2023, or the very next day after the SDO encashed the 37.5 million in checks, lumabas po sa acknowledgement receipts that SDO Fajarda made 7 disbursements already. He traveled to these 7 places and had these 7 ARs. Did this not raise a red flag of the...
It does, sir. Although during our review, somehow we just accepted.
If you go to the day of the first quarter that had the most disbursements, which is March 15, 2023, SDO Fajarda supposedly made 26 disbursements in the following locations: Davao del Sur, Surigao del Sur, Oriental Mindoro, Laguna, Zamboanga del Sur, Cebu, Ifugao, Antique, Batanes, Pampanga, Legazpi, Lanao del Norte, Batangas, Tarlac, Metro Manila, Samar, Davao de Oro, Agusan del Norte, Davao del Sur, Davao de Oro, Laguna, Cavite, Surigao del Norte. Attorney Camora, let's give him a helicopter. I don't think he'll do that in one day. There is the physical impossibility of the delivery and encashment of the